Okay, so I got everybody ready and Brielle is off on the bus. So now I am getting Ava finished for school, getting ready for school, and then we will head off and I will drop her off at preschool. Lulu wants to go to school. Okay, so I have a little bit of running around to do and I'm finally feeling better. I was super sick. I was super sick. I'm actually feeling better today and I'm having a girls party this Friday, so in 2 days from today it's going to be like a clothing and makeup little party, and my neighbors from like my neighborhood are coming over. So my friends from my neighborhood are coming over. So it's going to be fun. I'm just going to do like light appetizers and drinks. It'll be nice just to get everyone together, and we need to talk about the Halloween party that we do, like the neighborhood block party. So we're gonna do that. And Taylor was out of town last night. He comes home tonight at midnight. So 2 nights of being like a single parent. So last night went really well. The girls are really good. We have our routine down. And little Livy's starting to feel better too. But tomorrow I'm good bash. What? I look good bash. Oh. Tomorrow I'm getting a massage, which I'm really, really excited for. I haven't had one in a long time, and I really, really need it. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to Friday and having the weekend. Alright, so I picked up these. These are what I was looking for. If you watch my pantry organization, I was looking for these larger mason jars. These are the ball ones. Oh no. That looks like it might have a crack in it. And I found these at Country Max, which is local to us. And these, for all, I have 6 of them. For all 6, it was like $12. So that's the cheapest I've seen. Careful, Lulu, these are glass, sweetie pie. Okay, so I already put one together, and it was just to see what I want to do with it. So I have a lot more to do, obviously. But these are what they look like. In this one, you can't see it, but it says pancake mix. So I'll put a couple of 3 back that way. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll move this stuff around. I like how the bins are kind of in a row. So I'll figure that out. Okay, so I got a lot done today already, and we are about to go pick up Ava from preschool. She gets out around noon. I already changed because the mornings here are so cold, and now it's like 75 degrees out. So I cleaned up the basement a little bit. I still have a lot more to do. Like I said before, I have the girls' night, and I just kind of want everything clean. There was something on my lens. Probably my own fingerprints. So I'm having girls' night on Friday, so I just wanted everything to look nice and clean and organized. I still have a ton of organizing to do, like my kitchen cabinets I want to go through again and organize, and upstairs bathrooms. I just bought a bow organizer for the girls. The girls have a ton of bows, and I had like little bins I was putting them in, but they're kind of hard to see and you have to dig. Like you would have to know, like, oh, I want this certain bow, and then you would know that it's in there and you have to find it. So I just want everything like so they can see it, they can pick it out, because they pick out their bows. So I did the basement, and then I went upstairs and I cleaned the master bedroom. I made our bed, put clothes away, scrubbed out our bathroom, cleaned out the tub, did all that, wiped down the floors, and then I did the girls' bathroom. I made all their beds. I always do that. Try to do that every single day. I make their beds, open their windows in the morning, like their, what are they called, like shades, curtains. So every morning I open their curtains right before I get them ready for school, just to like let light in, and it just feels nicer. But I make sure all their dirty laundry is cleaned up and everything, like books are put away, and it just like gives them a fresh start. So when they come home or when they come into the room at nighttime, everything's kind of organized. I set out their pajamas, just makes things a little bit smoother for nighttime. My husband's, he doesn't get home until midnight tonight, so I am on mom duty again tonight, which I am every night anyways. But tonight Ava has dance, and so that's from 5 to 5:45. I have to figure out dinner. I gotta give the girls baths and shower. Brielle's been taking a shower the past 2 nights by herself. I stand like next to her at the shower and just kind of like coach her along and make sure she's doing it right, but she's surprisingly doing an amazing job, and I'm so proud of her. And it's like one less thing. If I could have her taking a shower at the same time I'm giving the girls a bath, saves a couple minutes. So that's it. We are off to go get Ava, and then we'll come home and do some lunch. Good morning. Good morning. How did you sleep?
Good.
How do you feel?
Good.
You did sleep good, huh? I love you.
Thank you. Mama.
You want to get down? Okay, give me a kiss. Mwah. Love you. Mommy's little baby. I love you. Do you like your room?
Yes.
It's very pretty.
Baby shaky.
Baby Chunky?
Yes.
You know you love your baby Chunky. You know what, honey? Want me to get it? We gotta go get Brielle up the bus. Alright, I'll get baby Chunky. happy. I feel happy.
My turn. Itchy baby.
And up the water
My-
down.
Now my turn. When it wash it out, all day Saturday.
Up all the rain.
No, my turn. Itchy baby. I'll be yeah.
Good night, Lulu. Love you. Say good night.
Hello. Hello. My name is Ava, and I'm gonna read this book today. And my name,
Say good night, girls.
and my name is Brielle. I picked the Apple Orchard book.
All right.
Fancy Nancy.
Say good night, girls.
Night. Night. Night, Olivia.
Okay, so I read to Brielle and Ava. They each pick books and we read them, and Brielle does some reading, and then they have a little bit of water and they go to sleep. This mama is tired. My husband has been out of town. He's coming home late tonight. So I'm just finishing up a few things, putting shoes away. It seems like shoes are like a problem in our house. They're like all over. The kids keep changing them nonstop. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna relax and get ready for tomorrow. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.